Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly and easily remove the side mirror on a Hyundai Lafesta. The entire process only takes a few minutes, so let's get started. First, open the front door. Next, take any plastic trim removal tool to avoid scratching or damaging the interior panels. Carefully insert the tool at the top of the small interior trim cover and gently pull it toward you until the cover comes off. Once the cover is removed, you'll see 3 mounting nuts and 1 electrical connector. Start by disconnecting the electrical connector. Press the locking tab and gently pull the connector out. Now, using a ratchet with the correct socket, remove the 3 mounting nuts that hold the side mirror in place. It's a good idea to support the mirror with your other hand while removing the last nut to prevent it from falling. After all 3 nuts have been removed, the side mirror is no longer secured and can be lifted away from the door with ease. And that's all there is to it. I hope this video was helpful. If you enjoyed it or found it useful, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments what you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.